Today, the Supreme Court granted interim bail to son of Union Minister Ajay Mishra, Ashish Mishra, who is the key accused in the 2021 farmers' killing in Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri. Mishra has been granted interim relief for 8 weeks, during which he cannot stay in Uttar Pradesh and Delhi and its adjoining areas. He can enter UP only when asked to appear before the trial court. He has been ordered to leave UP within a week. He will have to share the address of his residence for this period with the court and surrender the passport. The court has also directed Mishra to mark his attendance at the police station in the jurisdiction of his new location during the bail period. Yesterday, JNU saw massive chaos and violence as the administration cut the electricity supply to the campus as several students gathered at the JNU Students' Union office for a screening of the BBC documentary on PM Modi. Authorities even suspended the internet to stop students from screening and watching the CDs, which has already been blocked from several platforms by the centre. Soon the violence became political as some claimed that members of the ABVP threw stones at students who had come to watch the CDs. They claimed that they were attacked when they were watching the documentary on their mobile phones. The RSS-affiliated student body denied the charges. India has lost access to 26 of 65 patrolling points in eastern Ladakh, a report by a senior police officer in the Union Territory has said in a worrying new disclosure amid the country's standoff with China at various flashpoints along their totally 3,500-kilometer frontier. The report was filed at last week's annual conference of the country's top police officers in Delhi, attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has paused his Bharat Jodo Yatra in Jammu and Kashmir due to poor weather conditions and landslides. The party informed today that the foot march will resume on Friday morning, while tomorrow will be a rest day. Senior leader Jairam Ramesh's tweet read, "Due to poor weather conditions and landslides in the area, the afternoon leg of Bharat Jodo Yatra in Ramban and Banihal has been cancelled. Tomorrow is a rest day and the yatra will resume day after on January 27th at 8 am. The Jammu-Srinagar National Highway has been closed due to landslides and shooting stones in Ramban district this morning. Officials said that the highway will be cleared and opened after the weather conditions improve.